lineups, bro, listen, I don't care what hairstyle you have, hair growth, forget it, throw all the way. Your lineup is the most important thing that you have. Whether you like braids, curls, your lineup defines everything, bro. Without your lineup, stop, give up. Gotta make sure your lineup is on point. And I'm sure you know that. That's why you're here. Let's get into how we gonna make sure your lineup is right. Because I feel y'all, I need y'all to have your lineups on point, and we gonna get that done. Oh, you guys see, my lineup is terrible. Like, oh my gosh, my lineup was just so crooked. I looked at everything I could possibly do to fix my lineup. From a young age, my lineup had to look certain ways that I also been rocking with. I had my plan to go to Turkey, not at the moment, of course, but like in time to go to Turkey and get that calendar. Let me find some solutions, and here we are. So the first and most important tip is probably the most simple thing you're ever gonna hear. If you're allowed to grow, you need to leave the lineup alone for at least a few weeks. You need to let your hair fully grow out without touching it. Because a lot of you guys keep lining up your hair every week, every 2 weeks, and it's just pushing it back, and you don't know how your lineup actually looks. It's only getting worse every week, bro. You need to chill, you need to stop, you gotta reset. Go back to the foundation, see what you're really working with. And it can be scary, or it can be, hey, not that bad. So you have to realize the number one, guys. The hair in the lineup doesn't all grow at the same speed. Just because this side here doesn't grow as fast as this side, doesn't mean that it doesn't grow. So you have to give your hair a chance for it to grow. It's from like get thicker and it's from like be thinner. What you can do is let it grow out, and you can realize, okay, this is a ball, there's some hair here. I'm not gonna just push my hair back. Instead, I'm gonna fade it or bring it down and even it out and make it match and just line it up. That's what I did, guys. Simple tip. If you're gonna cut your hair yourself, don't push your lineup back. A lot of these barbers, when you go to them, they want you to come back, so they want you to look fresh, right? So to make it look crisp, you have to prioritize your lineup's help sometimes over the crispiness. What I mean by that is, don't push it back. Follow the natural hairline. You need to really emphasize the natural hairline. It might not look that good. Hopefully, I recommend the lineup taper to anybody, as I actually have. The lineup taper, even if your hair is thicker on some sides, can even it out. Make sense? Quick maths. If you guys don't have the front taper, the problem is your hair is supposed to be even, right? So it's gonna expose the parts that are lighter. That's why I really encourage the front taper, because it keeps it all balanced over there. Nothing clean, major. Even if you have those bald spots, work with it. When I'm cutting light hair, I know that I'm sure that this side grows thicker, faster than this side. So I might want the tenacity from this side. As soon as I reach here, I'll slow down, open the guard so it cuts less hair, and just be more gentle and delicate. Because if I rush, that shit gonna be well. But you know what I'm saying? So just take your time, especially on the parts that are weaker, okay? The areas of focus. That's one thing. So if you're able to balance it out, it might look nice. And now, truthfully, at this step, you might already be starting to have more hope for your hairline. You might be thinking, damn, like my hairline is as bad as I thought it really was. The next step, find you a good hair growth oil, something that can counteract oxidative stress. And you guys might have heard that peppermint oil is one of the things that actually works great for lineup restoration. It actually outperforms minoxidil, which is something else we use. Minoxidil is actually sold at the pharmacy and whatnot for thinning hair, restores hair, helps hair grow. They basically work the same way. They bring more blood to the spots that you spray it on. And minoxidil actually was used in a study and improvement to work for some parts of the hair, but not in the lineup. Although many people have said that it works for them. But you can truthfully just do the natural way, use hair growth oil, apply that, massage it in. I'll put some links down below. Apart from that, guys, I just got to stimulate your whole scalp. Okay, how you can do this is get a shampoo brush and your shampoo your hair get everywhere for your scalp, because blood that doesn't just flow one way. You must get through all that. Stimulate all around your head top, your hair here, and even up for like your lower part. Just there, stimulate that blood flow. Make sure the blood is rushing there. Apart from that, what you can do is you can get a dermal roller. Truthfully, I didn't have much just dermal roller because I didn't stick with it long enough. It definitely does work. If you have very light patches and you try everything that's not working, definitely do the dermal roller for couple weeks to a month and see how that works, and then just stick consistent with it, and I'm sure you'll see some good results. Make sure you're not doing anything that's restricting the blood flow to the scalp. This is major. If you're the type that sleeps with a do-rag all the time, stop that. Okay, guys, remember, for your hair to grow, blood flow. But you're not doing anything that's restricting the blood flow to your hair. Don't over manipulate your hair. If you're a weaver, don't over brush your hair with protective styles. Don't be pulling on your hair too much. Just make it make sense, and you will see results in your lineup. Also, there's a lot of supplements you can take, like biotin, collagen. Truthfully, just biotin is enough. Try biotin while doing all these things, and you will have the results. So yeah, that's what I did to see a huge difference. In the beginning, when I let my hair grow up, I was like, damn, like, there's some difference, but I'm actually realizing this is my actual lineup. My forehead isn't here. That was the beginning. And since then, I've never been to a barber. And I'm scared to go back because I'm not going to get a lot of destroyed it. Truthfully, guys, it's a learning process. Take your time with it. Be patient with yourself. I was surprised. When my lineup was actually looking proper, I was very surprised. Along the lineup preservation journey, I started to use the enhancements, and I realized that I didn't use the enhancements anymore. Like, I really couldn't believe it. I was ecstatic, and I'm saying, but I still use the enhancements occasionally just to have a little crisper look, you know, so even going out. It's possible to restore lineup if I'm going to Turkey, and I hope you guys follow these tips. And I guarantee that in a month, you'll see some improvement. Alright guys, good luck. Let's don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.